Reefs.
Absolutely on. Oh, look at that thing. Look at that. Hello, buddy. Yes, man.
All right, Matthias, you ready to go, bro?
Let's go. Let's do it.
Ethan's ready. Woo. All right, we're launching right now. It's the middle of the day, and we're going to the islands, and we're gonna stay overnight. There's some military stuff there. All right, so we're heading out right now. It is pretty flat, so I mean we're on. All right, so it is literally glassed off pretty much around here, and it is beautiful. What do you reckon, Matthias?
Oh yeah, see the tunas right there. Oh shit, the camera's gone.
Alright, yeah, we just saw a school of tuna, but it looks like they're gone now, so we're gonna keep heading to the islands. And I mean, just have a look at that. The conditions are so good. We weren't even meant to go out today, so this is so lucky for us. I'm glad I decided to do it. Just be careful because it does drop off quite a lot. All right, we've just got the island. Oh, have a look at that, Bobby. Look at that. Oh, no. All right, so we did not expect the viz, the conditions, or any of this. We didn't expect any of this to be this good, but it is literally incredible. Have a look. You can, we can literally see all of the bottom here. So we're just so keen right now. I don't know, I'm blown away. Like, I was literally gonna skip this day and I was just gonna do uni work and head tomorrow just for a short trip, but now I'm just glad that I made that decision to go out for the whole day and overnight, so we're on. So keen. So me and Matisse are gonna jump in and go for a spear literally right now, and Ethan and Ahmed are gonna just go for a fish. And so the plan is pretty much spear here for an hour, see how it goes, and then we're gonna head over to the other island over there, that little one, and hopefully get some more stuff over there. So I mean, yeah, this is pretty good. We are happy.
Keep my hands on myself. Dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl as in me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, on the river just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, on the river just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still. what you feel, I can feel it still. We can find a war for peace. Give in to that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Start flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still.
Right, I've just hopped out of the water. Got that nice squid, and now we're just chasing some tuna. There's an absolute bust up over there. Look at that. Oh, have a look at all of them. Oh. Get in there quick. Left. Oh yeah, because you want to throw it out. Alright, hold on. Alright, knock her into neutral. Oh, you assholes. What are you doing, Zach? Oh, that was a perfect cast, man. Yeah, man. No, Zach.
Bro, you can't cast it with this.
Alright, so we've just finished our day and we are now just at the beach. Ethan is doing some fly fishing, and then the boys over there are just getting everything ready for dinner. And we've got squid, we've got crayfish, and little Spanish. So yeah, looking pretty good. We're actually having a good time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the drone up in the air right now, and yeah. Alright, we've got our massive squid. Have a look at that. That is pretty decent.
That's a specimen, that.
Alright, that's my first squid I've ever shot, so I'm really happy with that, but yeah.
Basically, first of all, yep, that's
so
good.
we've got that.
Get the guts out. There you go, that's what it's been eating. Fish. Oh fuck, I'll go wash my hands.
Have a look at that guy's head. Oh, wow, that is...
Look at that, look at that.
Look at that compared to my hand. Have a look at that.
Zach.
Wow.
Maybe. No.
Give me a hand, give me a hand. Can I try slapping your hand and see if it sticks?
Got that beautiful. Have a look at that. That is a beautiful piece of meat. Wow. That's looking
Take
good.
the wings off and keep them for bait. Wings come off.
That's the tube. Wow, that is a big piece of
calamari. Our dinner is gonna be so good. We are so keen with this. Wow, those are some beautiful sized rings. Have a look at that. We have got so much. Matthias, what do you reckon?
It looks great.
Oh, this is sick.
Look at that, some details, man.
Just to spice it up a bit.
Go find us
Have a look at that.
And then I'll
4
just-
beautiful slabs.
I'll score
And
it.
then, oh, guys, this is the best thing ever. I mean,
Ethan Ramsey.
how could it be? A coral trout would be good, but I mean, we've got squid and lobster, so we're happy with that. Have a look at the sun, guys. It is going down. Have a look at that. That is absolute beauty. With the sunrise, sunset, sunset, not sunrise. Sunrise will be in the morning, and we will be on for even more fish stuff. Oh, look at that. Dude, beauty. I spent a good 30 minutes getting that crayfish out of the hole, so yeah, it better be good because, I mean, he got stuck in a hole and yeah. All right, dinner. How's dinner looking, Matthias?
It's really good. We
Have a look at that.
Trouts, but it's better than that.
Lobster, some fish, and squid. I just can't get over that squid. That was like,
Cannot use this.
that's a pretty big squid, or at least that he speared. So Matthias currently holds the world record for smallest penis. So
I thought you were gonna say the biggest, largest trout. That's enough. You put it on your
oh, this
hands,
is just,
then you do it.
this is great.
No, I'm from Ecuador.
Having fun.
I
This
know
thing
how
is
to
already
use-
half empty.
I know
You
how
have
to
the whole
use
night.
mosquito repellent.
Have a look at this, guys. Oh, crayfish, some calamari, some fish.
Arrow on it. Oh, bro, these mosquitoes are getting wild.
That's gonna stick.
All right, have a look at that, guys. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, we're eating the squid. How is it?
Excellent.
Great. Doesn't get better. Have a look at that. Wow. Okay, Matthias has just got the fire started. He was literally using his hands. Oh, Matthias! Oh, the fire!
Keep going.
Have a look at that.
Keep going.
Bro, don't put sand on there.
Bro,
you
it's not
idiot.
sand, bro. It's like 3 pieces of sand.
All right, fire started. We did not use a lighter. Yeah. Fish. Oh.
Can't get any healthier than that. Any fresher armor.
No.
Literally.
All right, this has been a cook up and a half. Squid,
Fish,
lobster,
crayfish,
crayfish, and fish.
some blue tuna, but we cannot.
We
show
wish we
that.
got those tunas before. They were smashing up some bait, but we literally drove over them so many times they wouldn't do anything. But yeah.
You want to do this?
Yeah.
There you
No,
go.
it's good. That's ready to go, so
Is it?
yeah, man.
You sure?
Yep. 100%.
All right, lobster's done. Ooh! Have a look at that.
That's so tasty.
That looks beautiful.
Disgusting.
All right, last bit of lights going down now, and we've eaten, and I mean, yeah, we couldn't have gotten any luckier with this, to be honest. So we're gonna get to bed, and we're thinking about waking up early, maybe like 4, do some fishing before the sun rises, and then as soon as the sun's out, we are into Spear.
Alright guys, all the boys are sleeping now. We're just waiting for tomorrow to be a great day. We caught some crayfish, squid, and some weird fish, but it was good. And hopefully tomorrow is gonna be an excellent day. So see you guys tomorrow.